What is good, guys? Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I am going to be drifting around my E46 for the very first time. I got my little skinnies on here. Can't really see them, but 19's on here, 16's on the back. This makes it so much easier. Anyways, let's get to the GoPro shot. All right, so let's see what the temp is at. It's at 78 Celsius. So I'm gonna be driving it around for a little bit, making sure it gets up to temp before I start dogging it a little bit. So just for right now, I'm gonna chill and cruise until this thing warms up a little bit, because I'm not trying to blow this motor because of cold oil. I am probably gonna do a lot of night driving, so let me know if it looks better like this or if it looks better like this, because this is my first video with this car and also with the GoPro. So let me know what you guys think looks best with this. But for now, for the first video, I'm probably gonna keep it like this for the majority of the video, just so it doesn't distract from the main road. This car is extremely hard to do like donuts and drifting with, because this thing has an open diff and it has stock suspension, so it's so difficult. No, it's not a driver mod, but let me tell you, this thing, whenever I get a welded diff, this thing is gonna slide so great. All right, so I think the coast is clear. I'm gonna get into second gear though. Ooh, that is concrete. Guys, I'm telling you, this thing wants to break loose. Like, I'll give it a little bit of gas right here. She wants me to open her up. It's just she has an open diff, man, and this thing is so difficult to get slided. Ooh, we should definitely be in second. Sorry, no bueno. All right, I think this was me the other day, but let's try it again. It might be a little bumpy here, but maybe, just maybe, I could just slide it around this part. If I'm able to hold like a manji, but just not speed up that crazy. I don't know how much horsepower this car has, maybe like 250, 245, 230 wheel. I don't know, but it's just enough to get down and have a little bit of fun with, for sure. And yes, guys, I know this isn't like a drift video, but this is my first time drifting this car, so I'm kind of just learning how to drive it. And two, like, it's really hard to get this thing sideways, like on concrete. I've kind of tried it before, and it just does not break loose. So I'm just practicing on the dirt, because one, you could learn better like that. Two, it will for sure get sideways. Also, don't worry, guys, this car, I'm probably gonna chop off the muffler myself. I'm gonna learn how to weld and try to like weld up an exhaust on this thing, because someone quoted me a really high price, and I was like, I might as well just learn how to weld myself and just do it myself. So probably in the next couple of videos, you guys might see me cutting off my exhaust just to make this thing a little bit louder. See, like, here's concrete. Let's see if it'll break loose. Yeah, literally just a one-wheel peel. I also do have 19s in the front, so it's kind of like, I have 16s in the back. What is it? 19s in the front, so it's like a little weird, but nothing too difficult to manage. I actually was going to make a video on installing headers on this, but when I tried installing them, it actually, the headers did not actually fit, so I just kind of scrapped the video just because they were eBay headers, and I tried making them fit. It literally just did not work. So then I just kind of got mad and just threw them away. You know what? The road's wide enough. Let's try getting in some little small manjis right here. Woo! I almost just took out that person's mailbox. Woo! This thing is fun. Ooh, those bumps are tough. I was gonna try to go in there, but nah. Let's see if I can break it loose without dumping the clutch, because I kind of want to save this clutch. Oh, looks like someone had some fun right there. Oh God, I hate going over these bumps. Good thing it's kind of flat for me. All right, before I go anymore, let's check underneath and let's make sure there's nothing wrong underneath the car. I don't think there should be, because I think I fixed all the coolant leaks, but it's always good to make sure, you know what I mean? I think we're good. But yeah, like I was saying just a second ago, these 16s, they're just stock wheels. These are the 19s that came with the car, but it's running good. All right, now time to hit it going back the other way. I kind of don't like beating on the trans, but I'm just shifting, you know, so let's just do a little 1-2 action and see how it goes. Speeding up too fast. Gotta learn the car drags. See, I would do a donut right there, but that is way too patchy and way too bumpy for this. I'm sure you got, oh look, you guys can see my old marks. I'm assuming you guys want to see me go a little bit wider. Let's go a little bit wider and practice that. Uh oh, someone's on the road. Just give him a second and then go. Dude, this thing does not want to get sideways. All right, let's see if we can get wide right here, because this is dumb wide. that much at red line. This thing eats. Here, let's look at the marks that I made. Look at that. Look how wide I'm going. That's how it should be. Now just imagine if I was on concrete. Imagine how just beautiful this would look. I'm more into like drifting than just donuts, because I mean, like, anybody can do donuts, you know what I mean? Let's try some like ultra slow manjis. Let's see. I'm kind of staying on my old path. Here, let's slow down a little bit. Just so you know why I bought this, you guys, this car is way cheaper to drift than my Genesis. It's way easier to fix this car. It's way cheaper. It's just, there's so many pros, you know what I mean? It's just, it's definitely a no-brainer. Don't want to do it on the bumps. Maybe, just maybe I could squeeze. See, it's pretty bad. Let's try it again. We hit concrete. Also, if you guys do hear sloshing around, I got my I have my coolant back there just in case I run out of coolant, because I did have a coolant leak problem with this car, but I think I fixed it, so I think we are good. I personally like learning. With the least, like with bare bones, so I can learn how to do it best. You guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys like this video and you guys like seeing the drift videos, drop a comment, drop a like, and subscribe. More drift videos to come. The Genesis will be back up soon, hopefully within the next month. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.